How to check spellings and grammar in Outlook. So in this video tutorial we are going to learn about how you can check it. So let's start with the video. Before starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so let me show you. If I click on new email and if I write some here, hello guys, kindly, it is auto correction for me, so I just make some mistake. Kindly subscribe my YouTube channel netcast web tech zone. So here you can see I have made some mistakes, so you can auto check. So you can check auto, go to the option here, and okay, go to the review. Under the review you can see the spell and grammar check. Click on it, and here they start the check your grammar. So in this first section I have write the some wrong word, and it is suggestion, so it is suggested right word. You can check out. In my case they only suggest me one word, but sometimes they suggest you the more than one word, so just select the words that you want to correct and just change. So it is changed. Now they show the second word, which is subscribed. So here you can see they have suggested me three words, so I just select this one and change. And here you can see change the all. If you have a huge paragraph here and you want to change the this word for all entire paragraph, you can click on change all. Okay, now you can also ignore once. If you don't want to change, you can ignore, or you can ignore all, so the Outlook will not show you the this word as wrong if you ignore all. Or you can add dictionary. If you want to add this word to the your dictionary, you can add it, and Outlook will be not show this word again as a wrong. So that's so for now I just change it. Okay, I just YouTube also change. This is channel also I want to change. The spelling change completed, and it is done. So that is how you can change. There is lots of options. You can also count the word of your paragraph. You can see there is a one page, 16 word, characters 93, characters with space 107, paragraph 3, line 6. So that's how we can check the spelling and grammar in Outlook email. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.